In this video, it's 1st of December in the UK, and I'm going on a Christmas cycle with a local group called the Ware cycling group. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm all dressed up in my Santa dress. Can you see it? I don't know whether they're dressing up or not, but I don't care. So I'll be taking some videos, a few selfies and some pictures of the other people in the cycle group. Hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. Welcome to my channel. My name is Loraine and I help people live with passion, purpose and positivity by leveraging the law of attraction. I like to be an example of someone who lives their passion every single day. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Thank you. So coming to the end of the Ware cycle now, and it's been really good. Cycling through, I don't know if you can see it, an old railway track this is. And yeah, I've had a lovely time, met new people, been to a place I've been with this cycle group before, the Ware cycling group, but not here. So yeah, it's been good. Went for a drink in a pub. Cycling along the track. I'm right at the back now because I like to do my own thing. So now we're going under a viaduct. I'll carry on talking until we get, then you'll be able to see the viaduct behind me. But there's nothing like it. There's nothing like getting out in the open. There's a viaduct. So yeah, it's been great actually. Great, absolutely amazing. Wonderful.